There is one universal reason that all leaders will struggle executing on any strategic priority. There's one thing, and it's the same for everyone. The energy required to drive strategy, to drive that improvement effort or that key priority will never feel as urgent as the energy and activities required to maintain the operation, what we call the day job, or sometimes the whirlwind of activities necessary to keep things in order. Do this for me. Think of a key strategy, a key initiative that you were associated with that didn't make it, okay? The biggest meltdown maybe that you were a part of. And think about how the end finally came. When this thing finally died, did it die all at once with a big, embarrassing explosion? Or did this thing go down slowly and quietly like it was being suffocated? If you're like everyone we have ever spoken to, it's the latter. This thing died slowly and quietly. I don't know what initiative you were thinking of, but I know how it died, and moreover, I know what killed it. This isn't just true with the biggest strategic failure you've ever been a part of. This is true, I would bet, on what you're dealing with right now. On anything that you're trying to drive, you're trying to push, that you're frustrated with right now. You're not losing, I'm guessing, you're not losing to stupidity. You're not losing to laziness. You're not losing to defiance. You're losing to busy. People that are busy with the day job. How you break this strategic conundrum is what the 4 disciplines of execution is all about. We've got 15 years and over 3,000 organizations involved in this work. There are over 200,000 teams that are currently using the 4 disciplines of execution around the world as a way to execute on strategic priorities that require the hearts and minds of your people. What we feel is the greatest challenge that any leader will ever have. I get to be in your city on October 9th, and I'm very excited about it. My oldest daughter spent a year in Lisbon, and I can't wait to go back. I'd love to meet you and get a chance to talk about this topic that has captivated the FranklinCovey organization for over 15 years. Hope we get a chance to meet.